x cube plus x square is equal to 36. We have to find the value of x. So let's try. X cube plus x square, we can send 36 to the left hand side. So it is minus 36 is equal to 0. Now x cube plus x square minus 36, we can also write it as minus 27 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now let's rearrange it. We can write x cube minus 27 plus x square minus 9 is equal to 0. We can keep them together like this. Then there is no change in the question. Or x cube minus 27, we can write it as 3 to the power 3. Then plus x square minus 9 as 3 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and this we can expand as a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write it as x minus 3 times x square plus 3x plus 3 square, then plus again this is in the form of differences of square, a square minus b square. So we can write it as a plus b times a minus b. So this we can write x plus 3 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you see this x minus 3 is the common factor, so we can write it common. So x minus 3. Then the remaining ones are x square plus 3x plus 3 square is 9 plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Or x minus 3 then times x square, 3x plus x is 4x and 9 plus 3 is 12 is equal to 0. Now when a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. That means either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. And when x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0, we can check whether we have a real solution or not by using b square minus 4ac, the discriminant formula. B here is 4, a here is the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is the coefficient of x, and c here is 12. So b square is 4 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 12. 4 square is 16 and 12 times 4 is 48. When b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then only we have a real solution, else we do not have any real solution. So 16 minus 48 will be less than 0. Therefore, there is no real solution. Now let's check for the real solution when x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, 3 cube plus 3 square, it should be equal to 36. 3 cube is 27. 3 square is 9. 27 plus 9 is 36. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 3. This is our answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.